Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This video is all about why Microsoft Edge is killing your PC speed. So if your PC feels sluggish, the first place you should look is not your CPU, it's your browser. Microsoft Edge is well known for consuming massive amount of RAM, often running dozens of background processes you don't need. Today I'm going to show you to diagnose exactly what Microsoft Edge is doing to your memory and how you can limit its resources uses to get our system speed back to where it should be and whether it should keep on your PC or you can uninstall it. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your Edge and look for this system setting, how you can go to this directory. Go to profile settings here and then go to system and performance and then go to system, and now you will see continue running background extension and app when Edge is closed. This is very important. Startup boost when Edge is faster when you start your PC. Just disable both of the options here. Once you disable that, go back once. Now come to again this page, just click on performance here, and once you see the performance, preload page for faster browsing and search. Just disable this as well. Enable performance detector, just disable this as well. Fade up active tabs, it should be on. It's good for saving memory and CPU uses. And power, choose it to balanced, and also make sure your memory automatically puts tab to sleep. Just enable this option and put the inactive tab to sleep after set off. Reduce this time to 15 minutes or 5 minutes, so that if you don't work on that tab, it should be in a sleep mode and your memory should be saving and CPU uses. Once you applied these settings, you can also go to extension and make sure you don't have any unused extension. Just remove that and clean it. Just close it now and you will see your utilization of system is good now, and CPU and the memory uses will be reduced. Also look for the startup apps here and then look for Edge and just disable it. If it is enabled, just right click and then you can disable it. Now let's move on to the advanced methods. Now if you don't want to keep it Microsoft Edge on your system, then you can permanently remove it. Open the store, Microsoft Store, and normally you don't able to uninstall it. When you go to Microsoft add and remove programs and type here Edge, and when you click on this option, uninstall button is gray out. To fix this issue, we have to use the third party tool, and that is open source, available in WinToy and available is on the Microsoft Store. Now once you search WinToy, just click on free and click on get option. But this option is only for those who want to remove the Microsoft Edge from your system. And later on, we can also install the Edge without harming your PC. So it's very easy to reinstall it back. Click on open, click yes. Now go to the setting icons, click on system, scroll down and look for this option, digital markets acts. Just enable this option, and now once you enable this option, you have to restart your system. Click on system settings here and then click on power icon and restart your Windows. So let me restart my Windows and I will show you after restart. After you restart your system, again open the WinToy. And this time keep it enabled. Now open the add and remove program. Type Edge, go to three dots, and this time you can see the options to uninstall it. Click on uninstall, hit yes, and we have successfully uninstalled the Edge from our system. So now you can enable this or just keep it. In future, let's say your mood change and you want to reinstall it back, so we have the options to get it back. How? Let me show you. Just type here Edge download, go to first link here, the Microsoft official link, and you will see here the button Edge for Windows. Now run its exe, and by this way you should able to install it back. So this is the video and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.